My dear brothers and sisters, welcome to this integrated module for the COVID-19. Yoga has a tremendous effect to ward off the possible hike of the COVID. And for that, we have two approaches. One is to prevent this happening. How do we prevent? In the big population, maybe only 0.1% or 0.2% of the people have the COVID. Why do the other people do not have? Because they have very strong immune system. This is what we have to do. So as young people, between the age of 16 and later on, the adulthood and others, we should be able to make this possible. To make this possible, there are two dimensions. One is to give deep relaxation to the whole body-mind complex. And when you do that, the stress is a big immunosuppressant factor. Similarly, the fear, anxiety, concern, these will suppress the immune system. This has to be removed. Therefore, relaxation does that. And therefore, we have the relaxation component incorporated into this integrated module we have. And the second one is to see our respiratory system will work efficiently. For that we have the breathing practices, the pranayama, so that the possible attack of the COVID causing the respiratory distress can all be avoided. Then we have to work with the mind, with the power, will that we have. And therefore we have got a wonderful mantra called Mahamrutyunjaya mantra. And this Mahamrutyunjaya mantra is to remove all the fears from us, and repeating of that mantra will help to energize the whole system and remove the incorporated fear within us, and thereby the immune system blossoms. So two components, relaxation and energizing of the immune system. This will help to prevent the COVID spreading everywhere and into our body-mind complex. And this is what we are going to do in this module, and I wish you all the best, but you have to practice 4 times a day minimum. Before breakfast, before lunch, before evening dinner, and before going to sleep. And please follow this, give time in this crucial period of challenges of the COVID spreading everywhere around the globe, and we want that India should be free from this COVID. And your cooperation, your time for your health will be the most needed one. And I wish you all the best, and let us start with the practice.
Om Triyambakai Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhanat Mrityor Mukshiyamamritat. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Get ready for spinal twisting. Legs together. Now legs 2 feet apart. Raise your both arms up. Fold your hands at the elbow. Inhale, exhaling, twist to your right side. Inhale center, exhale left. Continue the practice with normal breathing. Gently slow down the practice. Come to center. Drop your hands. Come back to Sthiti Tadasana. Now relax in Shitala Tadasana. Observe the changes. Next practice, forward backward bending. Come to Sthiti Tadasana. Inhale. Lift your both arms up. Bend back. Exhale. Swing your arms, bend forward. Continue the practice at your own pace. Gently stop the practice. Come to Shitala Tadasana. Observe the changes in your body. Raise your both the arms in front of you. Palms facing each other. Inhale. Spread your arms sidewise. Expand your chest. Exhale, bring your arms back to the center. Continue the practice of hands in and out breathing. Gently drop down your hands. Come to Shitala Tadasana. Observe the changes in your body. Come to Sthiti Tadasana. Interlock your fingers. Place your palms on the chest. Inhale, stretch your hands in front of you, 90 degrees. Exhale, bring back. Continue for a few more rounds. Second variation, 135 degrees. With inhalation, stretch your hands. Exhale, bring back on your chest. Continue for a few more rounds. Third variation, 180 degrees. Inhalation, stretch your hands up. With exhalation, hands back on your chest. Continue for a few more rounds. Stop the practice. Come to Shitala Tadasana. Observe the changes. Come to Sthiti Supine. Take your both arms up. Feet together. Now slowly bring your both arms down by the side of your legs and fold your both the legs one by one to adopt Padmasana in lying down posture. Hold your big toes with your hands. Now take your both arms up. Place your palms by the side of your head. Inhale. Lift your upper body up to place the crown of your head on the ground, taking hand support. Now catch the big toes and place the elbows on the ground. Maintain this posture with normal breathing. Do not hold your breath. For coming out of the posture, take hand support and come to lying down and slowly unfold your legs one by one. Now gently take your both arms up to Sthiti Supine posture. And gently take your arms by the side of your body to come in Shavasana. Keep your legs apart, palms facing the roof. Relax with normal breathing. Sulabh Matsyasana. For those who cannot practice Matsyasana, can leave their legs like this without making Padmasana. and hold in final position with normal breathing. Sit comfortably. We'll go for Kapalbhati. Inhale. While exhaling, flap your abdomen in. Continue. Active exhalation, passive inhalation. 30 strokes per minute. Gently slow down the practice. Observe the movement of your breath. Sit in any comfortable meditative posture with Chin Mudra in both the hands. We'll go for abdominal breathing. Place your right palm on your abdomen. With inhalation, bulge your abdomen out. Exhalation, sink it back in. Continue this practice for a few more rounds. Gently stop the practice and observe the changes in your breath. We'll go for Nadi Shuddhi Pranayam. Sit in any comfortable meditative posture. Adopt Chin Mudra in your left hand, Nasikagra Mudra in your right hand. Now close your right nostril with your thumb. Inhale deeply through your left nostril. Close your left nostril and exhale slowly through your right nostril. Inhale through right nostril. Close your right nostril. Exhale through left. This makes one round of Nadi Shuddhi. Repeat for 2-3 more rounds. After completion of last round, stop the practice. Keep your palm comfortably on your knee. Observe your breath. Now we'll go for meditation on inner sun. Sit comfortably. Gently adopt Chin Mudra in both your hands. Imagine a big, white, bright sun in your chest region. Now observe that you are seeking energy from the sun in your chest region. Try to feel the heat and light expanding from your chest area. Now observe the white light which is expanding and covering your whole body within it. Enjoy the heat and energy. Observe the expansion of your consciousness and relax within yourself. Relax. Stop the practice.
Where we relax the whole body, we have the deep meditation which took us to the deeper realms of our subtle mind, the consciousness, and meditating on the sun brought lot of energy within us. And after that is our next step called as Sankalpa or resolve. Resolve is a positive thought structured into a small sentence of not more than 4 or 5 words. Say, I am very, very healthy and energetic. My immune system is very strong. I am very happy and blissful. Could be the type of the resolve that you can take. Formulate that sentence yourself, and we repeat that sentence with full faith in that wonderful state of calmness, peace and bliss. So start with repeating that resolve in the mind with a full faith. First, second and the third rounds. Fourth, fifth and sixth rounds. Repeat that sentence with a full feeling of the energy, vitality and bliss. Seventh, eighth. The last round, ninth round, in which you will repeat that sentence with full faith and with a full feeling. Now after that resolve, we will pray for the welfare of all people to get health, happiness, bliss and grow continuously towards the highest state of perfection, of positive health and perfect health.
Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramaya, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschid dukha bhaved. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.